do, do.
Yay.
You need a glass of water?
I finally won. What do you want dessert? What is
You want a
it?
long fork or a short fork? Mike, you want a long fork or a short
Oh my gosh.
You get a Frito pie.
Frito pie challenge.
It does. Frito pie challenge. How high you live?
I'm cheering for Dad.
So Ronnie won.
Go, Manny. Go, Mike.
now?
Dad.
Ready?
Not yet, Dad.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Mike's looks bigger. It looks a bit smaller.
You don't have to eat fast, do you? You have to eat
whoever
fast?
finishes first.
Oh, lordy.
You haven't get any Fritos yet. You want water? Is it delicious?
Mm-hmm.
You need salt? Oh, you do need salt, babe? Anybody?
I don't care what it tastes like right now. Yeah.
Mike's being all
Change.
yeah.
Manny's winning.
You were gonna let him win that?
I thought there was just a who ate. Is it who eats it first? They're not even enjoying it.
I'm full.
Did you say I'm full? Didn't even finish? Yeah,
Go like this.
Wiggle,
I
wiggle,
want a
wiggle.
spoon.
Give Daddy a spoon, please.
You want a spoon?
That's what the deer goes.
He says what?
Let's get it. He needs napkin.
Ugh.
The smallest spoon possible.
Dad, you have time.
There you go.
He wants a serving spoon.
Isn't that cheating?
No.
I can't. Oh!
You gotta eat all that. Yeah, falls.
Even if you have one piece of cheese in your beer.
No.
Is
Is this so good?
Mm-hmm.
I know. I should have bought
You
an
gotta
extra
rub your
bag.
face aggressively
I can't eat a
like
Frito
this.
pie. But there's no Fritos.
Do
They're
them
auntie
beans
favorites.
taste good?
You see if it was Mom, you're recording? You, Tia, and Uncle
Yes.
Mike, you wouldn't have to rush me off.
You said I'm full. No more.
Dirty tapping. You want that sweatshirt? Babe? How bad you want that sweatshirt?
You get a hug from us if you win.
No, Mom buys you
I'll buy you new shoes for running.
I'll buy
You
you.
want new shoes. Look
I
at
know.
those cool Nikes.
What do you
Oh,
need?
here, just bought some.
We'll buy you a Barbie.
Manny's got a dent in his.
I'll buy you
He has a dent in the side.
handcrafted,
What do you need?
a customized
You need water, Mike?
hat.
Mm-hmm.
About ice in it or no ice?
Thank you.
Water.
You gotta rub it aggressively.
You just want water?
Dad, when you use a napkin, rub it against your
Someone
face.
needs to
That
say
makes food does.
amazing to show my friends what I did over the summer.
This is what you did.
I think I
This
need
is what
that.
happened to me.
I think I need that mint poison.
What mint?
Where you go like this.
Poison in your mouth. It doesn't poison your mouth, it freshens your mouth.
Oh, the one Tio had?
Tastes like mint freshener. Tastes like poison.
Go, you got to the Fritos finally.
You're gonna let him pinch you down?
Gotta give him.
You gotta, we should have checked your sugar first.
Haven't you ever seen the rabbit and the hare? How big it was? Wait, the rabbit and the hare.
The tortoise and
The
the
tortoise
hare.
and the hare. Who wins in the end?
Tortoise.
Exactly.
The hair decided
Mike
to take
is
a
being
nap.
slow and steady. You see all that liquid Manny's
then-
putting in his body?
And then Tio's gonna be
Is
like,
there a
ah.
poop breaks?
No, no getting up to use the body.
What about water break? Do we just fill up their waters when they're done?
if you get more water,
Oh, you got the meat sweats already?
your
It's a lot of
system-
food, man.
Your system will fill up for you.
Ramen challenge. Who wants to do it with me?
Me.
When jaw opens.
Did you look at the menu? It's like ramen, but then everything else is like curry. Oh, fancy. I love curry. I was hoping they would have like pot stickers and like tomo.
Remember one time when I
Like Yabasaki. Yakisoba.
when I was talking to Emma and Elliot?
Do you never shower? How come your back still looks so good?
I do shower.
Do you wash your body?
I said, hi, this
Because
is,
theirs,
and then,
are they just more
was trying
oily
to
than you
spell
because it's on their
it might
head?
be for kale.
Do you have any on your body that's
Wait, what is that? You don't know. I'm still
Her stayed pretty good on her legs. I feel sick from that watermelon gum.
Honest.
Huh?
That's why Amina says she wants that spray.
I want that please.
Oh, your mouth feels
I'm
gross?
going to brush my teeth like
20 times.
yeah.
For the first time all summer.
EO Fitness, EOS Fitness represent.
Fitness in my mouth. Fitness.
Jaw fingers.
It's only been 6 minutes, fellas.
Right, get it.
Do they
Tia.
have a time limit?
Yeah, 30 minutes. Or whoever finishes.
I'm sweating.
It's hot in here. Can we get the fan?
How is it hot in here?
Dad, if you win, me and Mom will take you to Zoya tomorrow morning.
Oh, Zoe, open the door for them.
But you're gonna drive.
Hi, Grandma.
This is too much chips.
It's a perfect amount of chips.
Chips are the best part of it.
That's all I have left. Is chips.
We didn't mix it very good. We should have probably mixed
just
the.
layered
Like you might want to mix yours. Or you end up with
No helping. You get voice.
Did you eat before you came?
I already know that that's going to because I keep.
You got more pretzel bites.
We went to another mall.
Oh my god, guys. Spoiler.
We
You know what?
saved
Next time
guys
I'm
some.
gonna stay with you.
We saved you guys some. Unless Michael T's gonna eat them all. Somewhat.
He does.
Ice cream? No,
I'm going
Frito
to
pie.
cry.
Or not Frito.
Hey.
Pretzels.
It's too hot.
Pretzel.
Yeah, it is.
Is it blowing on you?
No, everybody's sitting around watching them.
I know everybody's going in the air.
Better? Gorgeous.
Yeah. You hit it, Dad. You want me to record you?
8 minutes.
I'm gonna post it on your story.
It was a whole bag of Fritos, half a bag of lettuce, half a tomato, a whole bag of cheese. And then it was a pound
lot
of
of food.
beans and half a pound of meat.
So that was perfect.
No, there wasn't a burp. Of meat.
Yeah.
and some-
It's too dry now. There's nothing left.
You want some juice?
No, I
Bean
don't.
juice?
You want bean juice? Yeah, you want bean juice? Remember he
Bless
adds
you.
gravy. Sour cream?
Do you need more sour cream?
There is no sour pickle. You ate it all.
You see?
Like you just scooped it up and
Yeah, he would. You see, for me, I would have a lot.
make it
9 minutes, 18 seconds.
People enjoy watching other people eat.
I do.
Look how
It's
cute her
weird.
hair looks.
It came out good, huh?
I want to see it.
Oh, I didn't even see
Face me.
Oh my gosh, got blue eyebrows.
Face me. Face me,
The
please.
sad part is just like
Let me
good.
take you to the Rio, Rio. Sorry.
Mm,
Flying over
chowing
like
down.
an eagle, eagle. Let me take you to the Rio, Rio.
Remember he ate that like 90-ounce steak or something like that?
Right, you bring
That
that
no,
challenge
that
like
guy
that
on
guy?
the show. We watched.
Hurry!
You want bean juice?
I want to stop. This is too much.
This is what that guy does
Forfeit.
a lot.
See? Slow and steady.
Whose idea was
Rinse
this?
You could forfeit.
We're gonna throw
Manny's.
it.
Was it mine?
Manny's.
Right?
It's not fish, I don't want it.
You can add more beans.
Just add bean juice.
There's juice.
Forfeit.
You're not getting the sunshine. Are you kidding? Just eat it with your hands like this.
Yeah.
Well, it's too salty.
Okay, add more salt.
Yep.
Add more. No, add more pepper.
More lettuce.
Pepper.
No, I'm gonna wait a little bit.
That's
Till
gonna
Mike
win.
catches
You're
up.
gonna get more full though. Your body's gonna tell your brain you're full.
I don't think he's gonna eat that much more.
He's slow and steady, bro. You're
taking
You're
a nap.
underestimating him.
Taking a nap under the
Taking a nap.
with the.
I'm sure, baby.
They're just taking their. They're taking their 30-minute break.
Here, baby.
That's not
Yeah,
gas.
are you ready
Hold
for
on.
our watermelon challenge?
Here, Lucy.
Whose idea was this?
Yours.
I did not say Frito pies.
Yes, you did.
I did say Frito pies for everybody else.
We bought a watermelon for you guys. Thank you.
But you don't like
Look how
it.
juicy it is.
She says she doesn't like watermelon though, so she can't eat it.
I don't. I only like mint gum. I don't.
Yeah. I didn't want.
Fruit gum.
Oh no, what's happening?
His eyes are watering.
Not yet.
It's flemma.
I could have done that easy.
Holy.
Then
Yeah.
finish this.
Nah, beauty.
It doesn't have anything in it. Doesn't have no beans in
No, you
it.
can make another bowl.
I know. I
need
probably
bean
will if
juice.
you're gonna quit. I'll use that to make a burrito pie.
Nice bowl of stickers.
They were
They're the
the
same
same.
weight.
Oh,
We're
it's already
drinking your
casted
dad's
off.
water.
I only got a sip.
It was her water first.
What was it?
How much?
Oh, he's leaving the table.
Pushing it down.
You got to fart.
Crumple.
There's one point to tonight. Point it the other way.
Burping. That was a good rookie start right there.
Equal everything.
You gonna eat a lot more of that?
God.
13 minutes.
How many minutes?
Halfway there.
How long does it
All I have to do now is just wait till he's done eating, right? At 30-minute mark, and then we weigh who to see who ate more.
Or just eat all of it for it to be easy.
Or we both just quit now and see who ate more now.
Or you can just continue eating.
Yeah.
Or you
Mine's not done
or
yet.
you could
but-
just
I still want-
forfeit.
He's still going.
Or you could just forfeit.
What we should have done was layered the chips.
Yeah,
Yeah.
We
something.
should have layered the chips. We'll learn for next time.
Next time, not for me. There's no next time for this guy.
They're not gonna want to eat Frito pies for a year.
Still going.
I just got home from Sam's.
Delicious. Still, it's starting to
I'm
feel good.
waiting
So it's
for
gonna be harder to
somebody
eat.
because they kept saying they wanted to go, and then
Huh? She went to Sam's. You didn't ask me.
other plans. But I walked into Sam's,
No, I don't want any more food, babe.
and the first thing that
It's not
happened,
good.
my
It's gonna
purse
get wet.
tore off. But not the one that I had shown you was about to rip off, the whole other side.
Mm-hmm. So you had to buy a new purse
After you
or
finish
some?
eating, you gotta run a whole lap from the.
Now you gotta run around the block 20 times.
And then you gotta slide down the
Oh, you
playground
know what your
slide.
dessert is? A bar and ice cream.
A bar of what?
A bar and ice cream.
Peanut butter flavor.
I'm not eating. That's I'm done.
You always ask for dessert.
I know, but I'm not that guy.
You have to eat dessert.
You always ask for dessert, I know, but I'm not that
No,
guy.
the guy that he watches on TV.
You always ask for a.
You're
Throwing
bringing.
beans on the floor, cheater.
Yeah, I threw a
You
bean.
better eat that one.
Pulling down that.
What do you want, baby? You ate all that food already? You got more meat?
He's coming. He's gonna tap soon. It's just a
I
lot.
want Frito pies, so I'm waiting to see if I can eat mayonnaise Fritos.
Oh, you can. There's gonna be some.
We gotta
left,
wait
for sure.
to measure it though.
Yeah.
He's. You know how competitive he is. So
16
he's dying
minutes.
right now already.
Fill his
But-
panza and see if he has any space.
Yes, some.
Or you just made more space.
No, he has
No,
3
you
bites
have, like,
right there
there.
at the top.
Just this little piece left.
Move your liver to the side.
It's still squishy. You can.
I'm sorry. Did I get this wrong? No, it's not. Hey, don't give up on spit, alright? You guys would be really good for each other.
I thought she was into girls.
That's on the other show.
Girl.
Oh, but that's the same girl though, right?
She's the lesbian gynecologist.
She's pretty.
Huh?
She's pretty.
Yeah, I think she's pretty. Huh? Well, I thought that's what he said, but I was making sure.
I don't like
What'd you say?
I mean, I think
Take another woman that's pretty.
No, the dog. Look,
the dog's pretty. Beautiful
pretty
dog.
dog.
There's a nice picture behind her. See how pretty it is?
Okay.
The ice cream.
You're leaving from here?
Yeah.
You're not gonna get dressed for Travis Scott?
She was gonna.
How much
She's
cheese was
wearing
that?
a shirt that says "I'm a
Half a
cat."
pound of cheese.
8 ounces.
8 ounces.
Half a
of
pound.
cheese.
Oh, yes.
Dude, we just threw up a lot of food, bro.
You ate 1 pound of beans. No, you didn't, because half of it's in your bowl.
What?
Cheese?
There's no cheese in
left.
here.
It's all Fritos.
It's all Fritos and maybe
A little
a
bit.
little bit of beans and tomatoes.
the bag for both.
They
Maybe you want to see who can finish a Taki bag. Fiesta size.
For this challenge.
No. Party size.
No, he's mad.
Yeah, he's mad because you
Fritos.
have, and you're wasting them.
Oh, you guys can have them here in a second.
That,
Full of
18 minutes.
drool.
we have like 30 minutes.
Party size.
I have diabetes, Maya. You have to pick something that's not chips. It would have to be like a
Sorbet.
steak challenge. You have your diabetes under control. It would for Auntie it would have to be like a steak challenge, like this many.
Or
ounces of
scrambled
steak.
eggs.
Oh,
Omelet.
God, that just made me wanna.
Yeah,
I
Like even when he does all those breakfast challenges, I'm like, that is just no.
can do
There's too
steak.
many eggs.
And then when he eats his over easy eggs on his challenges,
You know
he'll
what?
grab the whole egg and just shove it in his mouth. I'm like, oh,
Chicken
so
nuggets.
gross, man.
Chicken nuggets?
Yes. We're gonna try those chicken nuggets that we told Cindy about. It's you grind up the meat, the chicken, and then you put a lot of work. Yeah, it is. But if you grind up the chicken and then you put a potato and mix it and an egg and whatever, make like a thing, and then you air fry them. I mean,
Probably good.
it'll be
Like
good
just for
try
you
those.
guys, but like I
Not for
wouldn't make
everybody.
that for everyone.
No, you have to do like 4 at a time.
I just saw this thing where this lady got.
Well, he's tapped out. Weigh his food.
Are you tapped, babe?
You want my food or what?
I want to make it so that I can.
Tapped.
I was gonna wait until he quit and then ate a little more.
Well, how am I gonna do that? I have to put it in a different bowl, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened?
Look, he's gonna.
Oh,
quit
are
now.
you tapping?
Did Dad win?
No, no.
Keep eating.
Did he lose? Did you?
No, wait a bowl
I'll
first.
get you more water, guys.
That
Yeah.
bowl. And then tear it. Well, you gotta put it on there and then tear it. And then pour it in.
0.
You're gonna make
You
me
have the whole freaking bag of Fritos here.
I'm telling you.
You could have texted me. You were there. I could have
20 minutes.
So it's just a bowl of Fritos. That's all it is. A little bit.
I was defending myself.
Offending yourself?
Defending myself.
That's 2 Frito pies.
11.8 ounces left.
11 point what?
8.
11.8 ounces. 11.8
I already finished all of it.
11.8 is left.
We should have measured it before we handed it to
No,
them.
but either way, I'm putting it in a separate bowl. So
I know, but we should have
Just so we know how
seen
much
how
food
much
was.
it weighed before we. What?
Manny, how much of this did you put in your mouth?
Is that? Yeah, take it away from me.
I mean, I was watching him, and most of it that he put on the spoon went
Kind
in
of
his mouth.
soggy though.
That's from the bean
Bean juice, bean juice, bean juice.
Here he comes.
Are you done, babe?
A couple more and he's
No,
done.
I'm just getting all the heavy beans and the heavy meat out.
You want a bigger spoon?
Listen,
That's pretty good. I think I did a good job
I want chili.
for a rookie.
I see how much I took out of this, and if he wants to still try at the end,
11.3 to 8.3, so how many is that? 3? 3 ounces of
so if you
stuff.
want to eat from that, you can still eat from that.
I'm good.
And just add.
Twig, she took your toy, huh? Oh, the poor baby. You can let her play with it as long as you watch her. So she doesn't eat it.
So there's that. Well, that was in his bowl. There's no bags of Fritos that are not touched. There are tortilla chips.
Mija, you can have some of those. It's not
there's
gonna hurt
Doritos.
you. Half of those chips are not even touched. More
Yeah,
than half.
they're just
Something
wet.
like that, too.
So there's Doritos or there's tostadas.
Was it here?
He already tapped.
Mm-hmm.
You tap too?
He forfeited.
I'm gonna go watch TV then.
So Theo lost.
Bowl has
Nope.
to weigh less
Not
than
over
this.
yet.
How much does this weigh?
11.3.
11.3 ounces.
I wonder if I didn't eat all day, if I probably could have ate a little more.
If you didn't eat all this?
Yeah, he has food already today. That bearded guy doesn't eat for like days when he does this. Sleepy. Where are you taking that? Still frozen.
Oh, that's his I'm done cough.
Is it? You can tell?
That was his own little coffee. Or it's coming.
I'm just kidding.
Now it's pride kicking in.
I think he's just trying to eat the beans so that way it's not heavy. Bean challenge,
That was
go!
tasty, though. That Frito was good. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I needed more in there.
More chili
Yeah.
meat.
You videotaping Ronnie eating leftovers?
Yeah.
Tagged me in.
That's the way
mean
to
you
do
win?
it. That's the way to do it. Is tag team partners.
Tag team, back again.
Yeah, we should have done that with family or husband and wife.
You guys will lose to me in
What is it
my.
called?
Yeah, we would.
You
Mine was
guys,
freaking
Mike
easy.
can throw some food down, and so can I.
Yeah,
But
we
the
would.
trick is we have Mike cook it.
And then he eats the whole time he's cooking. And they'll be like, okay, let's
He's
go.
like, I can't even work.
And then he just sits down and he's like, I don't want this.
Does he do that though? Nibble on
Yes,
the-
that's why he doesn't eat at Christmas time.
You ready to weigh it?
Almost.
I think he won, babe.
I hear the bottom of the bowl already.
Dang.
That's spicy.
Is that less than 11 ounces?
Can't tell.
Dun 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 dun.
Can I re-tag in or what?
You're not if you're gonna go poop.
I'm gonna make some money.
You can't go poop.
Oh, sorry.
Dun 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 dun.
I used to play a game on the computer.
Cheater.
What happened? What'd she do? Nothing?
From State Farm?
I put some of my food in his bowl.
That's ridiculous. I'm friends with lots of men. Take my dear friend Tim McGinnis, who gave me my tribal pancake boards.
Right,
There's
right?
never been the slightest suggestion of
You're done?
Mm.
Well, I don't know about you.
Mostly Fritos.
This friend was flirting with you. No, it's too.
Just trying to get all the beans out.
It was not. You know, maybe if you stop texting your
That's
ex-husband.
the things that weigh the most.
26 minutes.
See what this farmer likes you.
What if you guys did spaghetti?
Yeah.
Oh, that would be a good one. Man, I would feel like shit.
That's what I was gonna say, that I saw that.
Egg noodles.
Where they did,
I can't eat like
they got spaghetti,
unlimited egg.
like a bunch of spaghetti
Pizza.
like that. And then they wrapped the ground beef on it. And then put the sauce and everything on it and cheese and all that. And put it in the oven for 30 minutes. And then you take it out, it's like a casserole and the whole thing comes out in the
Like baked ziti kind of.
27 minutes.
Dude, I think my stomach killed that whole bowl. It's all Fritos. He still has Fritos too? It's his Fritos. He ate all of the good stuff.
Then get all the heavy beans out.
Done?
The Fritos weigh more than the beans.
Here, now eat this piece of bread to wash it down.
Yeah, right. Oh my god, could you imagine?
Did you tap?
One more.
One big bite.
Come on. Come on.
What's wrong with my outfit?
Just thought you were gonna look all Travis Scotty.
Oh, you're leaving from here?
She's wearing a cat mommy shirt.
It's only
Time to
3:21.
move it.
8:15.
You done?
You didn't make it in 30 minutes.
Well, I was just asking because it's a 28:15. Can eat for another minute and 45 seconds.
Life and say it's boring. San Diego.
People just eat chili by itself.
Yeah.
So it wouldn't be weird if I just ate chili right now.
No. Baby, you look so different.
That's beans. That's not chili. You tap.
29 minutes and 3 seconds. You got 45 seconds.
You know, they've got an incredible cheese section.
We used to eat two bowls of
Swedish
food.
cheese. Hey, from Elizabeth. Oh, boy, yeah.
That was about 19 pounds of pork for, no, 18 pounds of pork for like $11. These are 67 cents a pound.
Well, I added some.
15 seconds.
Yeah.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done.
Woo!